What if I told you some medieval foods were actually healthier than what we eat today? No preservatives, no artificial flavors, no ultra-processed junk. In fact, some foods from the Middle Ages might beat modern diets completely. Let's explore 5 medieval foods that were surprisingly better than modern food. Food number 1, medieval bread, real whole grain bread.
It
Modern
contains preservatives,
supermarket
sugar,
bread
conditioners,
often
and artificial
contains
additives. Medieval
preservatives,
bread.
sugar conditioners, artificial additives. Medieval bread, simple ingredients, stone ground flour, water, yeast, sometimes salt. That's it. It was heavier, denser, and full of fiber. Stone grinding kept more nutrients in the flour, unlike modern ultra-refined white flour. Result, slower digestion, longer energy, better gut health. It didn't look pretty, but it fueled people for hard physical work. Food number 2, pottage, the medieval super stew. Pottage was a daily medieval meal. Think of it like a thick stew made from vegetables, grains, beans, herbs, sometimes meat. It cooked slowly for hours. This created
Pottage
high
changed based
nutrient
on seasons,
retention,
which meant diet
easy
variety, something modern
digestion,
eaters often
balanced
lack. It was
nutrition.
cheap but powerful nutrition.
Compare that to modern fast food meals. High fat, low fiber, low micronutrients. Pottage changed based on seasons, which meant diet variety, something modern eaters often lack. It was cheap, but powerful nutrition. Food number 3, raw and aged cheeses. Medieval cheese was very different from today's processed cheese slices. It was often raw milk based, naturally fermented, aged without chemicals. Natural fermentation created good bacteria, which helps gut health and immunity. Modern processed cheese products often include
Modern processed cheese products often include
emulsifiers,
emulsifiers, artificial color, and
stabilizers.
stabilizers.
Medieval cheese had stronger taste, but cleaner ingredients. In small amounts, it was real food, not factory food. Food number 4, seasonal vegetables, no chemical farming. Medieval farming used no synthetic pesticides, no artificial fertilizers, no genetic modification. Vegetables were seasonal and local. People ate cabbage leeks, onions, carrots, turnips, herbs. Because food was seasonal, nutrients were fresher, storage time was shorter, chemical treatment was minimal. Modern vegetables often travel thousands of miles and are treated to survive shipping, not to maximize nutrition. Medieval diets followed nature's calendar. Modern diets follow supermarket supply chains. Food number 5, slow-cooked meats. Modern fast meat, deep-fried, processed, preserved hormone influenced medieval meat cooking. Slow roasted, stewed, smoke salted, naturally. Slow cooking improves mineral absorption, collagen release flavor without chemicals. Also, meat was eaten less often in medieval times, which actually matches modern nutrition advice. Less meat, better quality, not daily junk, but occasional nourishment. Now, let's be fair. Medieval diets were not perfect. They also had food shortages, poor storage contamination risk, lack of food, safety science modern food gives us, safety standards, refrigeration, disease control, year-round access.
Modern food
But
gives
the
us safety
problem
standards,
today is not
refrigeration,
food safety.
disease control,
It's
year-round
overprocessing.
access.
We didn't ruin food with science. We ruined it with shortcuts. So, were medieval foods better than modern food? Not always, but often more natural, more balanced, and less processed. Maybe the future of healthy eating is actually learning from the past. If you want, next video we can explore medieval diet versus modern diet, full day comparison. Subscribe for more history versus modern life truths.